Hi, my name is Robert Lisatz and this channel is all about being safe, fit and prepared like a modern day samurai. Today I'm going to show you how to make caramelized walnuts. So for caramelized walnuts you obviously need plenty of walnuts. And think of caramelized walnuts like a food you need when you need energy. For instance, while rocking, backpacking or such kind of things. So this means that you can think of this food of caramelized walnuts like energy bars.
Bars?
Yes.
You need a lot of sugar.
You need also some jars where you put the caramelized walnuts into it. Then you need some baking paper, because after caramelizing the walnuts you put the stuff on the baking paper so it cools down. And obviously you need also a pan where you caramelize the walnuts.
So you put sugar in the pan.
A lot of sugar.
Sugar.
So you see, here is the sugar. In this case I used brown sugar. You can use also white sugar. You have to wait that the whole thing starts to melt, and the right color when to put the walnuts into the whole thing is when it's brownish. When
brownish?
Yes, brownish. When it's black, then you made something wrong. Now, this is how it looks when it starts to melt, and when it starts to melt you have to mix the whole thing so it gets liquid.
Interesting. He said I need to film this.
You have a voice like a Karen.
I know. You too.
You are a Karen.
No, I'm not. You are a Karen. Oh. Do I have a voice like Karen?
Yes.
No. I don't want to have a voice like Karen. So it started to go into... It's getting liquid.
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 This will have some consequences if you don't say it right.
Consequences.
You see, this is the brown color.
It looks so yummy.
It is yummy.
But not healthy.
No.
No. It's not healthy. I need to film this. It looks like poop. Now it's getting ready. He's aggressive towards the sugar.
Yes, emotional damage for the sugar.
Emotional damage.
Okay.
Aggressive mood on.
We're adding...
Fuzzy slider city.
Yeah.
Now you put those things in.
It's called walnuts.
Well, I didn't remember. Walmart, okay?
Walnuts.
Walnut. Walnut.
Walnuts.
Walnuts. Nuts. I think you put too much those things in.
No, yeah, yes. I did.
I think
It's important that you cover the nuts completely with caramelized sugar.
So it can be not healthy.
And now that the walnuts are completely covered with caramelized sugar, we will put this whole mess on a sheet of baking paper.
Sheet.
Sheet.
Aia. Ta-da-ta-ta!
So this is very
Yummy.
yummy, and these are a lot of calories. This means that this is not food you should eat when you're watching Netflix. This is food you are allowed to eat
when you are bored.
Move a lot. What?
When you are bored.
What?
When you are bored.
No.
Yeah.
You have to move a lot to earn this food.
If you want to be fat, you can eat this all.
Yes.
Another round. That's the final result of yummy walnut thing.
Walnuts.
No!
Now that the whole thing cooled down, you can break it apart and put the pieces into a jar.
Very yummy. So we finished it for today, right?
Yes. If you want to be fit, ne, schenkel.
If you don't want to be fit, eat this.
If you don't want to be fit like a modern day samurai, eat a lot of this here. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye bye. Have a great day. Pew.
So for caramelized walnuts, you obviously need walnuts. Plenty of them. And think of walnuts with... You also need
This thing.
Kuchla. Okay, now that the whole thing cooled down, you can break it apart and put...
It didn't went very well.
Thank you.